Hey YouTube, so we decided to come back and do a Popeyes chicken sandwich. We got regular, spicy, and then we got mashed potatoes that we're sharing. Anywho, yeah, we're eating Popeyes chicken sandwich. So let's see. Sierra still got her bow and stuff in, because what'd you do today, Sierra?
I went to a high school cheer competition.
Your first.
Mm-hmm.
And was it fun?
No.
No?
No.
Not like regular competitions?
No.
Why wasn't it?
I was confused. And it was weird.
What do you mean you was confused?
I'm not used to that high school crap. Like, the warm-ups was weird. Like, you know how you gotta say the words and stuff?
Yeah.
Like, you don't say the words loud at warm-ups how you usually would. Now you gotta whisper it. And then, like, on the first mat, it was, like, separate. Like, it was, like, a full mat divided into two. So I was like, huh? But...
So y'all was sharing the mat?
No. Oh, it was two mats. But one of the mats was, like split.
Mm-hmm.
But you still had to use it as a full mat.
Oh.
It was weird.
So what? Y'all done pieced together some crap.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it makes sense. I mean, don't say your chants out loud.
And our coach didn't even come. Our varsity coach didn't even come, so yeah. Carnisha had to do our practice before we went.
Did she just not come to the practice, or she not come?
She didn't come to practice with us, but she went to the comp.
Wow.
But Carnisha fixed our routine. It was pretty bad.
Was it?
One girl fell on her face at warm-up and her makeup was on the mat.
That's funny.
I got off the mat and she was like right next to me, so I was like, dang, she just like fell on her face. Like, you could hear her head smack the floor and everything.
How'd she fall? Was she tumbling?
She was doing a tub. And like went for it. And I got off, Cree was like, you seen her makeup on the mat? I was like,
some girl on y'all team or just some girl?
Our team.
She just on football, right?
Mm-mm. No.
So,
She varsity.
period. Was she on football?
Mm-hmm.
The reason I'm asking is because them girls have been practicing and doing that since school, because this is not their first competition. So, you being there, you were thrown in.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody from basketball who didn't do football? Was anybody there from basketball who didn't do football?
Mm-mm.
There, here.
No.
Okay.
I think it's just me.
They were waiting for you. That's why I was asking. Because you literally had 3 practices.
Mm-hmm.
And they threw you into a state competition with 3 practices. Was you a flyer? Yeah, you was a flyer.
Yeah. After she smacked her face on the ground, her stuff kept falling.
Oh, Lord. She was one of your bases?
Uh-huh.
You didn't fall doing a thing, did you?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's all I got to say. At least I got 16. 16th out of what?
Never mind. We got like 24.
I thought you got 16th.
So they were like,
It's different divisions is what my understanding was
there was like 5 different warriors. And the coach was like, y'all got 16. And then Carice into it and was like, that's the different warriors.
wow.
It was a purple team named Warriors.
Mm-hmm.
Like, some of them don't even look like warriors. Like, we look like warriors.
How?
You get what I'm saying? Like we match warriors. Like, we got black and gold and white on and stuff. But they had purple and white.
It's the school mascot, though. What the heck is Ben Davis? Oh, they're bulldogs. Do they look like they would be bulldogs? They're purple and white.
No. Like, the black matches warriors. Like, the purple.
I don't know, girl.
You wouldn't understand. But yeah.
Hopefully that's your only competition for school. No? What else could I be doing? It was a state competition.
She said something else, but I forget.
Here, Teeny. Yeah, I'm feeding the dog under the table because she's begging. There's nothing after state.
I bite my foot.
She's mad because you...
I kicked her. Don't get away.
Bye-bye. Yeah, she's really underneath the table begging for food. Oh, now I'm already full. That's about it, though. So, let's see. Our boys' football team went to... Oh, I did just take all the cheese. But you're, like, smothering it with mayonnaise, and that is so nasty. That is so... No, I don't like mayonnaise.
Yes, you do.
I don't eat mayonnaise. If I was to get a McChicken, what's on it? McChicken, plain, add cheese.
I know you didn't like mayonnaise.
Now Blue and Chip are fighting. Yeah, these sandwiches is good. They ain't worth the hype.
But you buying it.
They good though. I gotta make up for we didn't get it the first go around.
Oh.
We missed it the first time. I like the sandwiches though. I like the spicy ain't as spicy as what I would have thought. Like, if you guys have had Popeyes chicken tenders, like they spicy chicken tenders, it's like there's hot sauce underneath the breading and stuff. The chicken tenders be spicy as I'll get up. But the chicken sandwich, it was like, oh, okay.
It's not spicy. Mine was not spicy at all.
That was the spicy sandwich? I thought this one was the spicy one. Oh, no, that's the regular one, right?
When I tell you, that one was not spicy at all.
Yeah, that one looks like the regular one.
Maybe it was spicy. It wasn't. These are like black people mashed potatoes.
Wow. Oh, because the gravy got like meat in it?
And like other stuff.
Oh.
Not like KFC. Give them plain mashed potatoes.
With jar gravy?
Yeah, this is like spicy.
Oh, it's like, it's seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't know what kind of gravy that is.
Good.
Oh my goodness, I'm probably about to die. It is good. Not as good as if we had mac and cheese though. Or some smashed sweet potatoes. Smashed sweet potatoes is good.
I haven't had sweet potatoes in forever.
A baked one or a smashed one?
A smashed one.
I love smashed sweet potatoes, y'all. between that and macaroni and cheese, it's a whole meal. Like, it's a meal in itself. She's still under here begging for food. Come here. So, you guys.
She can't jump up there.
But I can't get her if you right there because I'm end up squeezing her and she's going to squeal.
Get her.
I can't get her. Scoop.
Put her through.
I can't. I'd be pulling under her arms. I told you. Yeah, she's old as dirt. Say hi. No, you can't get up there. Oh, you trying to run away? Look at her.
She don't like me.
She
like,
is
what's
mean.
wrong with her?
If she bites me.
I don't know why she don't like me. Like, I call her.
Yeah, she is 11 years old and she is my baby. Stop that. But she wanted to get up here.
Look, as soon as she sees me.
It ain't even a C. She knows your touch. She's not even watching you. See, watch when I do it. Oh, she think it's you?
Look,
She think it's you. You being seen now, baby.
Look, it ain't
It's me. No, she mad
All right,
at
touch
you.
her. Touch her.
Teeny. It's just me. Hey, she is shaking. Look at her. She's shaking. Teeny. You're not getting no food.
Look, her hair standing up. I don't like this dog.
Teeny. I know. You don't like her.
No, I don't like you.
No, I know. You know, fat girl, you're not getting nothing to eat. I'm trying not to drop you. Ow, she trying to bite me. You're not getting no more to eat. Yeah, she is as evil as she wants to be. She get the kids the business. Like, her cage is in my room. And if they even try to walk into the doorway, she growling and she
growl, but like she be trying to run up on you. But in real life, if you just stand there, she's not gonna bite you. Like, I used to think she was gonna run up on you and attack your legs or something. No, I stood there one time and she just gonna walk up to me and then turn around and start chasing her tail. I was like, wow.
You remember when she bit Laisha over that cracker? Was you in my room when she
Yeah,
did
you
that?
recorded it.
Yeah.
She never did me like that.
It was funny.
I'm not dumb.
She bit Laisha. Laisha was trying to give her a cracker, and she bit her. It was so funny. Ain't that right?
Come here. Come here. Tiki, come here. Let me sit on you.
She done ran away. Tink, get the cracker.
Tiki. Tiki.
Look at her.
Come here. Do it. Do it. Let me see the video.
So, yeah. Anywho, okay, goodbye, you guys. Let us know what you want to see. Comment, like, subscribe. We're going to try to upload at least once a week.
You're going to try to upload once a week.
I am such a
She will
procrastinator.
be making videos without me.
Maybe her siblings will come and be involved.
Who?
Elisha is at work. Elisha's always at work when we do this.
Yeah, you know Angelo.
Angelo ain't doing it. Angelo is not fooling with us. I told him he couldn't have his food if he didn't get it on the video.
He made sure he came down here to get his food.
He got his food while I was upstairs.
Yeah, I know. I came down here. He was in the bag. He grabbed his stuff and went upstairs.
That's why he only got one sandwich. He didn't even get his other one. But bye, you guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Let us know what else you want to see. Cheer season is starting. Well, not school cheer season, but I'll put in her first cheer from girls basketball.
I was looking real cute too.
And you got videos from the competition? Oh, I guess you'll send me pictures from today.
Yeah.
Did you see my videos?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you been in my phone?
Mm-mm.
Anyway, bye, you guys.